Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add apps and icons to your desktop on any computer running Windows 11. The process is very simple, so let's get started. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Then select Personalize. Inside the Personalization menu, click on Themes. Now scroll down and select Desktop Icon Settings. Here you'll see options like Computer, Recycle Bin, Network, and more. Check the box next to Computer. This will add this PC to your desktop and also make it easier to manage desktop shortcuts. Then click Apply, followed by OK. Now let's add app shortcuts to the desktop. Click on the Start menu. At the top, where you see Pinned, you should also see All Apps. Click on All Apps to view every installed application on your computer. On some older versions of Windows 11, you may instead see an option called All. Then change the view to List View if needed. You'll now see all the apps installed on your PC. To add an app to the desktop, simply click and drag the app icon onto the desktop. Repeat the same process for any other apps you want quick access to. And that's it. You've successfully added apps and icons to your Windows 11 desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.